Hey everyone, welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started.
Singable Words.
The word is
gaze.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Gaze, oh gaze, what do you see? Looking long with eyes so free, stare and watch, it's all the same. Observe the world, it's not a game. Don't glance quick or peek so shy, keep your eyes open and reach for the sky.
But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Peer, contemplate, study.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Neglect, disregard, miss.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the owl gaze at the mirror all day? Because it wanted to see who was the fairest of them all. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
Sitting in his rocking chair, Jacob gazed into the flickering fire.
Now, let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
And I also like Singable Words because Miss Katerina had helped us a lot this week with her words. And it's very inspirational. It makes me want to be a teacher. I'm probably not going to be. But still, thank you to all the teachers and Miss Katerina. Singable Words.